Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. It's Pushkar this side, and today I have another important video for you. Today we are talking about all the recent updates and recent upgrades that we have made to the Fuzen platform. So we have made a few changes, and today I want to show you how the platform has become more efficient, much faster. So this is an important video. Watch it till the end, so you will be aware of what are all the latest updates and upgrades to the Fuzen platform, and you'll be able to make the best use of the platform for building your apps. Let's get started. So let's start by going to the Fuzen website. So I'm at the Fuzen website and I'm going to log in. So I go to the Fuzen dashboard. So we are at the dashboard, and the very first update is the most important update that we have made to the platform, and this has to do with our backend models. So now we are using very advanced backend AI models which have much better critical thinking and logical decision making capabilities, and you'll be able to see this in terms of much better accuracy when you're building your app. So let me demonstrate this with a simple example. I have a prompt here for building a CRM with invoicing capabilities. So let me just copy this prompt and add it to my Fuzen dashboard, and let's click on generate app. So it will build an app. So what I want to show you is when Fuzen's AI is building this app, you're going to see much better results in terms of the UI, in terms of the functionality, and in terms of much more improved accuracy overall. So now our app is taking shape, and you can see this is the basic dashboard. Now this is basic dashboard because I asked for basic functionality, but you can see that in terms of the design and the layout, it's very clean. I actually wanted very clean layout, so I've asked for a clean and minimally designed layout in my prompt, and AI has done that. So now AI has built a few pages, it has built a dashboard, and it has also built a customer details page. So on the dashboard, we are able to see different customers, and if we click on a customer, then we go to the customer details page where we are able to see the invoices, and we are also able to see the email history with this particular customer. And this is exactly what I had asked for in my prompt. So it has also created an invoice form which looks quite minimal. Again, that's what I asked for, minimally designed page for customer details or a minimally designed CRM. It has done that. It has also given me an invoicing page. So this is an invoicing CRM. In the very first go, Fuzen's AI has been able to create a dashboard that's very well connected with customer details page, and these customer details page have invoices, and we can click on for viewing any invoice, and we can see the invoice. It's minimally designed, but again, it's very light on the eyes. So this is what I wanted, and AI has done that pretty accurately. So this is what I meant by improved design capabilities, improved logical capabilities, which result in overall improved accuracy. It has also given us a button to download this invoice as PDF. Let me check if that works. So far it's not working. I imagine it requires a workflow for downloading that PDF, and AI is still doing its work. So maybe that workflow is not done. It's still setting up a workflow for sending the invoice in an email. So I guess it might also do a few workflows, and we'll wait for it to finish before we can fully test it. But we can already see it has done quite a good job in terms of getting all the functionality captured in the important pages. So we have a dashboard page where we can view the leads. We have a customer details page. We have a page for viewing invoices. We can email these invoices from this page. We again have another page for managing the invoices, which we saw. If we go here, we have a page for managing invoices. So what is interesting here is we asked for a little bit of functionality. AI was able to capture all of that functionality spread across different pages. And we can also see it has done the CRUD functionality quite correctly. So we are able to view different leads. We're able to go to their lead details page from where we can generate invoices. We can send those invoices in an email. We can edit lead details. So if I For example, if I update their status, I'm able to do that. So it has got the basic CRUD functionality very correct. So that's what I mean in terms of improved accuracy. So we have used much better, much more effective AI models in the backend, and as a result, you are able to see improved accuracy in the result that you're getting. In the app that is getting built, it's much more accurate now. So the second update that I want to share with you is now you can enqueue your tasks. Previously, if you asked for any change, you needed to wait for AI to complete that change before you could ask for anything. So now we have removed that limitation. Now you can ask for multiple changes and all those changes will get enqueued to be done one after the other. Let me show you. So let me try to click on this button. Nothing happens. So new lead button is not working. Let me just tell AI that new lead button is not working. It should open a form. So while AI is doing this, now what I can do is I can also look at other pages. I can test some of the functionality, and if I want to make any changes, I can immediately request AI to make those changes, and AI will not restrict me from asking for those changes right now. Right now I can enter those changes and AI will enqueue all those tasks to be done. So let me ask for delete buttons. So in addition to create lead functionality, I'm also asking for delete lead functionality. So now these tasks are enqueued to be done one after the other. Previously, this wasn't the case. Previously, you needed to wait for AI to complete this change before you could ask for another one. So now you can just go on asking for changes. All your requests will be enqueued and you'll see the progress as and when AI does those tasks. So right now AI is working on the delete button task. It's adding those delete buttons, and in parallel it's also working on this new lead button task. So now you can see we asked for 2 changes, and corresponding to those 2 changes, AI has created 2 tasks. One is adding delete buttons for customers, and another one is fixing the new lead button, and you can see the status of each task. So this one is already completed, this one is currently running. Once a task is completed, I also have this undo button if I want to roll back this change. So now AI is saying this task is completed. Let me just go and check it. Yes, so AI has added these delete buttons against these customers. Let me also test if it works. So AI has added these delete buttons just like we asked. So AI has completed this task and now it's working on the second task, and you can see it that this task, the status of this task is currently in progress, and now it's completed. So now if we go back and if we click on the new lead button, it's still not working. So we'll just tell AI that new lead button is still not working, and it will check and do those tasks. But now the interesting thing is you can enqueue all of your requests and your development can be much faster because you don't have to wait for the previous task to be completed. Another important improvement I want to share with you. Now I have mentioned this improvement in maybe few of our previous videos, but still I would like to explicitly mention this again in this video. Is if you go to Fuzen website, under the resources tab, you can find a link for app templates, and if you go there, you'll find there is a collection of different app templates that you can use as a foundation for building your app. Some of these templates are free, some of these templates are premium templates, they're paid. For example, you can buy an AI dialer for around $150, $149, but this is a one-time cost. So you can purchase this template, then that template and the app you build with it belongs to you. It's just a one-time cost that you pay, and many of these templates are just free. For example, if you want to install an inventory management app, you can just start with this basic template. But what this does is it provides you a very strong foundation for building the app. So for example, if you go to this inventory management app template, you can see a lot of functionality that you would need is already configured, it's already working. So a lot of basic things like displaying a list of products, managing their stocks, managing the inventory records, a lot of that functionality is already built in, it's already verified, it's already working. So what you need to do is just install this app. You get this for free, and then you can ask for AI to customize this basic functionality as per your requirement. That minimizes your token usage, it minimizes your development time, and it also fast tracks your app development so that you get a fully working app, fully customized app in very quick time. So if you want to use these app templates, just go to the resources section and click on this app templates link. There's another important thing that I've mentioned in few of our previous videos is about credits. So now when you're using AI to build your app and to customize your app, every message counts as a credit usage. So whenever I'm asking for this new lead button form to be added or delete buttons to be added, every request or every message counts as a single credit. And you can track your credit usage in this top bar. So now you can see you have 6 credits remaining. If you want to see your credit usage, you can just click on that link. It will take you to the billing section where you can see your own credit usage. And if you exhaust your credits, you can buy new credits at a very minimal cost. You can buy credits starting at $5. It's very minimally priced. But the good thing is you can come back the next day. So today, if you exhaust all your credits, come back the next day and you'll find 5 new credits added to your account. So every day you can make 5 new changes. So if you're not in a rush, if you can finish your app, if you can complete your app in a few days, that's what it'll take. Just come back the next day, you'll get 5 new credits added to your account and use those 5 credits to make improvements to your app. So you can essentially do your vibe coding or your app development completely for free because you're getting 5 credits for free. Or if you're in a rush, you can just click on this button and you can purchase credits at a very minimal cost. Another very important update is now if you look at the AI editor chat window, so in this chat window now you will see a plus button. So basically this plus button helps you upload files. So what kind of files can you upload? You can upload different images. So you can imagine you want AI to follow certain design layout or certain color themes. You can just upload a picture of your favorite website and you can ask AI to replicate that kind of styling or that kind of layout. You can upload API documentation. For example, if you want to integrate your app or to connect your app to a third-party platform, but the API documentation is not very easily available, but you have a PDF with you, you just upload that API documentation to Fuzen's AI. Fuzen's AI will learn that API documentation and it will integrate your app with that third-party API. Now this dramatically increases the usability of Fuzen. Now, because you are able to create fully integrated full-stack apps with Fuzen, integrated with third-party apps, if you just provide their API documentation. So this really increases the use cases or the scenarios where you can use your Fuzen apps. So that's what I wanted to share with you. There are a lot of improvements in Fuzen and many of these improvements were possible because of your feedback. So keep sending your feedback our way. We'll make a note of it and whenever possible, we'll incorporate your feedback in future improvements. Let us know in the comments what you think about the current upgrades. Give us a like before you leave. Subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you in the next one.